How to check last online status on Roblox. Now, first thing you have to do is pull up your Google Chrome browser and go to roblox.com. Now, I'm gonna have to check the last status online with my friend's account. For example, let me search my friends here. So as what you can see, I can see the last online update on my friend's account. She was online a month ago. Now, for us to be able to do that, you need to download an extension. Just simply create a new tab and then go to Chrome Web Store. Now, the extension that you need to download is gonna be the BT Roblox. So you need to download and install this extension, the BTR, the BT Roblox. And then once everything is set, once this extension is set up, you go back to your Roblox account, click home, and then once the extension is activated, you'll be able to see it here on your gear icon setting. This is the VR settings. So all you have to do is make sure that this feature is ticked, the show last online, and then you should be able to know, let's try another or a different account. There you go. So that's how you can check last status update on Roblox.